In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple gel hairstyle that's going to take less time and it's beautiful at the same time. In case you're new here, my name is crescentfelly. Welcome so much, and without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting off by undoing my previous hairstyle. It was just a twist out bun, and I'm going to wash it using this shampoo and Bamsi hair conditioner. So my hair is already clean, guys. And for the hairstyle, I'm going to be using this dark Movit hair gel and toothbrush, thread, and also a scarf, which I will tie after applying the gel. And for the star of the show, I'm going to be using this DIY hair extension, which I already have a tutorial on how I did it here on this channel, guys. So in case you have not checked that out, please go and check it out and tell me your thoughts in the comment section. So to prep my natural hair before adding the gel, I'm using leave-in treatment from Sedoso and also coconut oil as usual. So let's prep this hair before we get into the styling. I'm going to start making my partings from here, and please guys, if you want to take care of your natural hair, when parting your hair, please be gentle to your hair, because baby, you can cut it anytime. It's very fragile, okay, because of its curliness and all that. So yeah. Getting some of this hair out of the way and then making another line here. This is how my line looks like. It's a half done line. It doesn't go all the way to the center of the head. It's the same on both sides. And now I'm going to just put all the hair that I'm not interested in right now in twists out, and then we can work on the two lines. So this is how I look like. These are the two lines I'm going to be working on, and let's start. So I'm going to just do some half box braids, like halfly done. I'm just patching a box and then braiding it halfway, and then I will connect it with another box braid. So let you watch so that you can understand better by watching. So guys, this is what I meant by connecting the half done braid with another braid. Okay, I'm just going to part this into two and then add this other one in the middle and then continue braiding. I'm guessing that you guys now understand what I meant with this method or with this style. So I'm going to finish up this line. both of my lines are done, and this is how they look so far. And now it's time to add the gel. So I'm going to have it like twice. I will have the middle part and then the other whole part. So I will start with the middle part, apply the gel, then tie it with the thread, and then add gel on the outer part. I will check in tomorrow because I need this to be overnight so that it can dry perfectly. So see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's the next day and my hair has dried out so good. By the way, this is the same method that I use when doing any hairstyle gel and I love it. So it's time to add the hair extension, guys, and I'm using the same products that I used to prep my natural hair. After prepping the hair extension with coconut oil and leave-in treatment, I'm tucking in my natural hair so that I can get the perfect way to put on this hair extension. So as you can see, it has somewhere to place my natural hair in, and then I tie it with this thread, okay? And then after tying with the thread, I'm taking a few pieces from the hair extension, tying the bottom part of where, you know, the hair extension and my natural hair meets, and now doing my edges plus makeup, and we have a look. By the way, guys, I didn't have a makeup look planned in mind. I just went in blindly as a makeup artist and did my thing, and I really loved how my makeup turned out, especially the eye look. It was my favorite, guys. I loved it. And to add on my hair, I just added a few hair accessories, and you guys, who is this? So this is how everything has turned out. I think this hairstyle will turn out better if you have blow dry because of the sleekness, and that's it for anything that I would say about it, because it's okay the way it is. But if you want your bun to be sleek or something, blow dry. So yeah.